Frog sanitizing systems create fresh mineral water by killing bacteria two ways, but occasionally cloudy water happens. What to do? First, know why. Cloudy water indicates one of two things. A, your chlorine or bromine levels are too low, or B, your water is out of balance. Whatever the reason, these initial steps can help clear cloudy water. 1. Shock the hot tub with a non-chlorine shock. Frog Maintained is recommended for all Frog systems. Following package instructions, just tear open the pouch and pour it in. 2. Make sure your water is balanced with total alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, pH between 7.2 and 7.8, and hardness ideally between 150 and 250 ppm. For a detailed refresher on how to balance your hot tub water, visit frogbalance.com or download the free Frog Water Care app to view our helpful water balance videos. 3. Once your water is properly balanced, make sure the filter cartridges are clean, as proper circulation makes all the difference. 4. Then take a look at your Frog Smart Chlor or bromine level in the water using the appropriate Frog test strip or the Frog Water Care app. If it's below the Frog standards, then increase your dial setting. At the right setting, Frog sanitizing systems will consistently maintain a low 0.5 to 1.0 ppm free chlorine or bromine level, and together with Frog minerals will ensure your water is cleaner, clearer, softer, and easier to take care of. If these steps didn't take care of the cloudiness, it's time to take a water sample to your dealer for additional help, or it may be time to drain and refill the hot tub. Once your water is clear again, a few quick tips will help prevent cloudy water in the future. 1. Monitor your water balance regularly. 2. Keep a close eye on the chlorine or bromine level. 3. Clean filter cartridges regularly. 4. Always rinse swimsuits in clear water to keep detergent residue out of the hot tub. And be sure to keep leaves, bugs, and other organic matter out of your hot tub as well. With Frog and these simple preventative steps, you can sit back, relax, and get your ah on again. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.